What's up?
Hello.
How you guys doing today?
How are you?
It's a pretty sunny day today.
Today is summer in Ireland.
Yeah, only today, just today. After today, then we're back to autumn. Just waiting for the trees to fall. Anyways, today we are doing
First impressions of Ireland.
yes, today I'm going to see my first impressions, what I think about Ireland today. But right now I'm so hungry because we had a really long day. You hungry too?
Really, but I'll just
Yeah,
go
I'm
with
hungry. We're going to KFC.
it. Yeah, we're going to
Yeah,
because we were so busy today.
We really
and
were.
we've done so many things and
We really
burned
did.
so many calories that we
really
need
did.
to make up for it with deep
Exactly.
fried. Oh, wait, deep fried everything. Deep fried.
Alright, let's go. Enjoy the intro video. We'll see you guys soon. Dobrodani, dobrodošli,
Hello.
YouTube kanal. What's the name? Black and Ginger, of course, that's the name. What are you eating?
Tempeh chicken.
Tempeh chicken. What am I eating? I think yeah, we're eating the same thing. Was it tempeh we ordered the last time?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10
Family pack.
Yeah, the whole family pack because we're family.
We are
we're
a
eating,
family.
We're eating for the whole Black and Ginger family. We're eating for you guys too. You know?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Whatever you need to tell yourself.
we are eating for you guys, right? We're eating for the whole family, the whole gang, you know. So that's why we're ordering the family pack for the whole Black and Ginger family. Anyways, we're going to order some chicken and then we're going to go to Kilkenny Castle, show you guys around while also eating at the same time and at the same time, oh shit, it's time to order. Hello.
Welcome to KFC. Can I take your order, please?
Yes, we'll have the Tempeh bucket.
Bargain or family?
A family.
Family. For your two side orders?
A salad and fries. What kind of dips do you have?
Gravy, sweet corn, curry, mash, or salad.
Sweet corn.
And what's your drink?
Oh, curry sauce instead. Can I just switch it to curry sauce?
Sorry, can I get the curry sauce instead of the corn, please?
Yeah, anything else?
No, that's all.
So we have a 10-piece family piece, sweet curry, salad, and a 7-up.
That's correct. Thank you, and sorry about
It's
confusing.
going to be 9 minutes for the chicken. Is that okay?
That's okay, yeah.
Right, can we know them, please? Thank you.
Thank you. I don't know how many of you know the story, but that's how we met each other. We worked in a fast food restaurant together. And we used to swear at the people, well, not in their faces, but when someone was indecisive, we were like, oh, for fuck's sake.
Well, they don't really give you time to check what you want, you know, they just start, welcome to KFC, can I have your order? Well, give me some time to make my, it's not like, I mean, that's all I'm saying. Anyways,
I know, but still.
but we have to wait for our food for 10 minutes, so we might as well just talk about our topic today while we wait for the food.
I'm getting a heart attack. Wait, my heart is on the left, so I'm not getting a heart attack. I'm getting a whatever's on the other side of the chest attack. Let's talk. So Salmon's been here for a few weeks.
3 weeks actually.
3 weeks. Will I close the window? Will the sound
Okay,
make?
yeah, let's close the window just to be safe.
He's been here for 3 weeks, and so I'm gonna just start with the questions that people firstly ask you when they meet you, like, oh, hi, we've heard so much about you. How do you like
famous.
Ireland?
Everyone
first-
knows me. Lots of people know me actually because of Leona. It's surprising.
Because I live in a small community, a small village, so people know my story. People know that he had to wait for a visa for years and stuff, so everyone just couldn't wait to meet him. So the first question is, how do you like Ireland?
The way you ask it.
How do you like Ireland?
Yeah, it is lovely. Ireland is lovely. It's beautiful. Like, it's very green. And besides the fact that it's very green, like, you don't just see big bushes, you know, like, all the grasses are trimmed, you know, the houses are nice. And what else? But the people are nice too, you know, the people are nice. And the funniest part about it is there is a lot of gingers here, you know. Since I came, I've been counting gingers. Like whenever I see a ginger, I start counting, you know. And I've counted 41 gingers so far. I don't know if I've counted like one person 3 times, but it's not my business. I see a ginger, I add 1 number to my count, you know what I'm saying? But actually it's very nice, people are nice, Ireland's beautiful. Only problem I have with Ireland is the weather. It's not really, you know, it's confusing, you know. In the morning it's cold, and then in the afternoon it's hot, and then towards the evening time it's raining, you know. And then at night you can have snow. You can have all 4 seasons in one day.
That's a certainty, yeah, that's a fact.
So basically when you're going out, you have to wear a hoodie and a shirt under, you know.
Just in case.
And
maybe bathing.
Yeah.
And bathing suit maybe just in case.
Yeah, just in case the weather gets so good that you just drive to the beach and just jump in the water. You never can say.
How did you like the Irish breakfast I made for you?
Oh yeah, the Irish breakfast.
So, for people who don't know what Irish breakfast is basically a heart attack on a plate.
Bukwano.
So it's sausages, fried sausages, bacon, fried mushrooms.
Don't make it sound like it's just one bacon. Like how many bacons do you put in one dish? It's like 3 bacon sometimes.
Okay, 3
but
bacon.
It's not actually bacon. They call it bacon, but it's not really bacon.
Like, for the Serbs who are watching, don't imagine our nice juicy bacon. This is basically just pork chop, just
yeah, it's really different. I won't really call it bacon.
And it's very salty. So we have sausages, we have bacon, we have mushrooms, we have beans, and some potato triangles.
Let's see how this looks on you.
I have a classy headpiece.
She looks good.
No.
It looks good.
I'm the queen's daughter today with this headpiece. Like,
Queen's daughter.
I'm royal in your
Why
pudding.
queen's daughter? Why not king's daughter?
Because an English queen is a queen and not a king.
I didn't see her. You said you were the queen's daughter. And I'm like, why not king's daughter?
Anyways, back to the Irish breakfast. So that's basically it. And the toast.
Yeah, and wait, you said beans, right?
Yeah.
And sausages.
Yeah.
And there's usually potatoes too.
Yeah, but I didn't make that for you because I don't know.
Oh yeah, I think potatoes are like the national meal of Irish people.
Yeah, well.
Irish people love potatoes.
Yeah, but don't go around the bush. Did you like the breakfast I made for you?
Oh yeah, I love the breakfast actually. Only problem I had with it was I couldn't finish it because there's too much food. There's like 3 big sausages, and then there's bacon, and there's beans, and then there's toast. Like, how do you finish all of that in the morning? I mean, well, it does make sense because once you eat that, then it's basically you're not having lunch. Just forget about lunch until dinner.
Yeah, lunch is not a big thing. Like, Serbia would be very lunch oriented. Like, lunch would be the big meal of the day. And here, lunch is just like kind of snack something just to survive until dinner.
Yeah, breakfast is the big meal here, not lunch. Food finally came! Jesus, it's a lot of food actually. Ooh, it smells so good. Levana really needs gear lessons. She always messes the gears up. She has problems with first gear and third gear. Anyways, chicken finally came. So now we're going to Kilkenny Castle. Show you guys around, eat, and then...
Take me out tonight.
I don't wanna leave till we catch this guy. Babe, why are there lots of tour buses? There is lots of tour buses here.
Because they are carrying tourists. Kilkenny is very touristy. It's the oldest medieval city in Kilkenny, in Ireland.
Oh yeah.
So
actually, the sign always says Kilkenny Medieval City.
They're closing.
You sure?
Well, everyone's going out.
That doesn't mean. Oh yeah, they're closing. Oh, that's a bummer.
What do we do? So we were gonna go into the castle, but they're closing it now.
Well, you know this place better. Where's the next chill spot?
At home, in front of the television.
Okay, let's go.
This is what happens. Someone wants
So
to
close.
sue KFC.
I'm fucking sue KFC for this. I almost dropped my chicken.
You
Never let a
did
black
drop
man
your
drop his damn chicken.
That's serious, KFC. You're in the black box, this bag.
I'm going to sue KFC for this.
You are?
Yes.
Okay.
Expect my lawyers, KFC.
we could come up with to eat in our village, and it's kind of sunsetty, so it's really romantic. But this one here is grumpy because he's so hungry already.
When I was so hungry, she was taking her time.
Yes, the romance. Taking my time, I was setting up everything for your ass, so you don't have to do anything.
Whatever.
That's what he says when I'm right.
I'm no hungry to argue.
So my second question, you have to be louder because of the water, but that's nature for you. My second question is, what do you think about the houses inside and outside in Ireland?
Well, Irish houses are nice, but one thing I realized is I think the country is really safe because people feel really safe. Like houses don't have gates, you know. Like the gates is just open, you know. Like it's crazy. Like also, I've hardly seen the police here. It's not like in Serbia where you know the cops are everywhere. You know what I'm saying? It's different here. You hardly see the cops. And even the cops don't have guns.
Yeah, they actually voted it in the referendum that they don't want guns for the police. So
that's actually useful because if the cops don't have guns, then people shouldn't have guns. You know, that kind of lowers the crime rate. I can't explain right now. I'm just too hungry. But the houses are nice. And, like you can tell people feel very free because they don't even have gates in their house.
How about the windows and the taps?
Oh, don't get me started on the windows and the taps.
They make no sense.
In Serbia, when you want to open the window, you put it down to lock it, put it in the middle to open it, and put it up to open it like this, you know. But here it's different. You put it down. Down is to lock it.
Yeah.
Middle is to open it up, and then up is to open it like this. So it's so fucking weird. And then taps, like you know how tap, you have like the hot and the cold, and then you have one tap, and then you like turn on the hot and the cold to like get it in the middle, that kind of thing. But here you have one tap cold, one tap hot. There is no mix in it, you know. So the only way you can wash your hand is turn on the hot, turn on the cold, and like this, you know. It's kind of stupid. It makes no sense at all.
Either that, or you wash your hands with extremely cold water, or boiling hot water. Like there's nothing.
KFC gave us only one drumsticks.
Two.
Only
The other
two.
one. Alright, my last question for you is, what about sport?
Oh, okay. I haven't seen anything about football here. I'd say football is not really a popular sport here. They do have their own, like, natural Irish sports. Natural? Like home sports, you know. They call it Gaelic football and hurling. They're actually very weird because, like, Gaelic football is a mixture of football, basketball, handball, rugby. It's just crazy, you know. And hurling is like a mixture of field hockey and lacrosse and football also because they use the same football pitch. Well, I haven't gone to see like a professional game yet, but hopefully soon I will go. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Leona finally learned how to eat chicken like a proper Nigerian. Anyway, we've come to the end of today's video. If you like this video, subscribe I would like to stay more and talk more, but I'm so hungry and I need to concentrate on my chicken, so.
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the view. Because it's lovely.
This is the Kings River, actually. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe. Bye.